Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this beef and bean hot pot. This is great for the winter as it's really hearty and warming and Slimming World friendly. So I'm going to just begin by chopping up 2 carrots which have already been peeled and also an onion. And I'm using 2 casserole dishes because I find that this recipe makes enough for 2 meals for us. So we eat one and we freeze one. So I'm using about 700 grams of diced beef, and I'm going to basically dish it up between the 2 dishes, but obviously if you're just making one big one, you would just put it all in together. So next up I'm going to add 2 tins of beans. Again, because I've divided it, I'm going to do 1 in each. And then I'm going to take 2 beef stock cubes and I'm going to dissolve that into 300 mils of water, and again divide that between my 2. And give it all a good mix up. Next up I'm going to add about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce to each one, so that would be 2 teaspoons for one. I'm going to add some salt and some pepper, and then use any kind of seasoning that you want. I'm just using a garlic and tomato one that we really like. And give this a good mix up. Next up we're going to peel some potatoes. I think I've used about 5 or 6 for this, but you can use as many as you want depending on how thick you want your slices. So I'm going to peel the potatoes and then I'm going to just slice them lengthways so that I've got bigger slices. I'd probably do about 1 centimetre thick, but it depends how many I've got. If I have more potatoes, then I might do them slightly thicker. So then we're just going to spread the potato slices over the top of the hot pot, covering the whole surface. And then we're going to use some foil to cover each one. In the meantime, we need the oven to be preheating at about 180 degrees. And then we're going to pop them in the oven for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the potatoes are fully cooked. What I like to do is about 10 minutes before I'm ready to serve, I'll take it out and I'll sprinkle cheese over the top of both of them and pop them back in. And then when they come out, they look lovely and golden and cheesy and delicious. So this is the final product out of the oven, and we will eat that with a big pile of veggies or a salad on the side, and it's a big hit with everybody. So thanks very much for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I make my beef and bean hot pot, and I hope you give it a try. If you do, don't forget to comment and let me know how you get on.